But Islam does not in any way encourage extreme individuality or extreme individualism. This day of Arafah, this entire exercise of Hajj, it beautifully showcases the unity and the oneness, the brotherhood, the sisterhood of Islam. Where you do not find one person standing alone on Arafah. You do not find that a person falls down, or he is thirsty, or he needs a little bit of food, and you are unwilling to give even of your last bit of water to that brother. Why not? Because your heart in this specific time is beating with unity. It is beating with brotherhood. It is beating to assist one another, to care for one another, to love for one another. This is what Islam encourages us to have.